You're right. I disagree. That's a good point. Can you agree and disagree in English? Today we learn how to do it naturally. Let's go. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. In every conversation, you agree or disagree with people. Knowing the right phrases makes you sound confident. Let's start with agreeing. Section 1. Phrases for agreeing. I agree, the simplest and most common. You're right, very natural. Exactly, strong agreement. That's a good point. You appreciate their idea. Absolutely, very strong agreement. I think so too. You have the same opinion. Me too for positive sentences. Me neither for negative sentences. Example, I love coffee. Me too. I don't like mornings. Me neither. Section 2. Phrases for disagreeing politely. It is important to disagree politely in English. I'm not sure about that. Soft disagreement. I'm not sure I agree. Gentle but clear. I see your point, but... You understand, but disagree. I think differently. Polite alternative. Actually, I think use this to give your view. That's interesting, but I believe. I'm afraid I disagree. Formal and polite. Tip, always soften your disagreement. Start with something positive before you disagree. Section 3. Keeping a conversation going. These phrases keep the discussion going. What do you think? Ask for the other person's view. Do you agree? Check if they share your opinion. That's a fair point. Respect their view even if different. Let me think about that. A great phrase to buy time. We'll have to agree to disagree when neither side changes. This is very common in friendly discussions. It shows respect. It keeps the peace. Recap. Agreeing. I agree. Exactly. Absolutely. Me too. Disagreeing. I see your point, but I'm not sure I agree. Keeping going. What do you think? That's a fair point. Your challenge. Pick a topic and write your opinion in the comments. Then agree or disagree with someone else's comment. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.